You know that your car needs gas to go, but there's another important component to making your car function: air. The throttle body is what controls how much air is let in, and when it fails, a lot of things can go wrong. Here's what happens when your throttle body fails. What is the throttle body? The throttle body is a critical component of a modern internal combustion engine's air intake system. Its primary function is to regulate and control the amount of air that enters the engine's intake manifold, which, in turn, determines the engine's power output. You can think of it as a gatekeeper for the engine's air supply. Here's how the throttle body works and its main functions. Number 1. Air regulation. The throttle body contains a butterfly valve or a throttle plate, which can be opened or closed. When you press the accelerator pedal, it controls the opening and closing of the throttle plate. This action allows more or less air to flow into the engine. Number 2. Throttle control. The throttle body is connected to the accelerator pedal via a cable or electronic sensor, in modern, drive-by-wire systems. When you press the accelerator pedal, it sends a signal to the throttle body, which adjusts the position of the throttle plate accordingly. This controls the engine's speed and power output. Number 3. Idle control. The throttle body also plays a role in controlling the engine's idle speed. When you release the accelerator pedal and the throttle plate is nearly closed, it allows a small amount of air to bypass the throttle plate. The amount of bypassed air is controlled by an idle air control (IAC) valve, which is often integrated with the throttle body in modern vehicles. Number 4. Air-fuel mixture. The amount of air entering the engine is a crucial factor in determining the air-fuel mixture. The Engine Control Module, ECM, or Engine Control Unit, ECU, monitors the position of the throttle plate and adjusts the fuel injection accordingly to maintain the correct air-fuel ratio for efficient combustion and performance. Number 5. Responsive acceleration. The throttle body's control over air intake is essential for providing responsive acceleration. When you press the accelerator pedal, the throttle plate opens, allowing more air into the engine, which, in turn, allows the engine to produce more power and accelerate. Symptoms of a failing throttle body. Here are a few indications that your car's throttle body is failing. Number 1. Poor acceleration. A failing throttle body does not respond correctly to the driver's input on the accelerator pedal. You could experience sluggish or delayed acceleration when you press the gas pedal, leading to reduced power and slower acceleration. Number 2. Rough idle. A failing throttle body can disrupt the engine's idle speed control. This can result in a rough or unstable idle, causing the vehicle to shake or vibrate when at a standstill. Number 3. Reduced fuel efficiency. A failing throttle body can affect the air-fuel mixture entering the engine. This can lead to poor fuel atomization and combustion, causing decreased fuel efficiency. You may notice a drop in miles per gallon, (mpg). Number 4. Check engine light, CEL. A failing throttle body can trigger the check engine light (CEL) on the dashboard. The Engine Control Module, ECM, may store diagnostic trouble codes, DTCs, related to the throttle body's performance. Number 5. Stalling or poor idle quality. A failing throttle body can disrupt the engine's ability to maintain a stable idle, which can lead to stalling, especially when the vehicle is idling or coming to a stop. It's important to note that these symptoms can also be caused by other issues within the engine or fuel system, so it's advisable to have your vehicle inspected by a qualified mechanic if you experience any of these symptoms. Causes of a failing throttle body. Why do throttle bodies fail? Here are a few common reasons. Number 1. Carbon buildup. Over time, carbon deposits can accumulate inside the throttle body and on the throttle plate. This buildup can restrict airflow and disrupt the smooth operation of the throttle body, leading to poor performance, rough idling, and reduced throttle response. It's particularly common in vehicles with gasoline direct injection (GDI) systems. Number 2. Electronic failures. The throttle body in modern vehicles is often equipped with electronic components, such as sensors and motorized actuators, that control the position of the throttle plate. Electronic failures, including sensor malfunctions or wiring issues, can disrupt communication between the throttle body and the engine control module, ECM. This can result in poor throttle control and drivability problems. Number 3. Physical damage or wear. Physical damage or wear and tear on the throttle body can also lead to failure. This can include damage caused by debris entering the air intake, corrosion due to exposure to moisture, or wear on the throttle plate and shaft. It's important to note that regular maintenance, including cleaning the throttle body and conducting routine inspections, can help prevent some of these issues. If you suspect a problem with your throttle body, it's advisable to have it inspected and repaired by a qualified mechanic to ensure proper performance and drivability of your vehicle. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel and leave your comments below. Thanks for watching.